No, there were two names that were shortlisted, and म्हाका दिसता आमी मिटिंगेक उल्लेख केलो की since December 2024 this posts were vacant and tabortob almost 20 cases of anti-corruption are also pending. And I had written to him a letter as well in July 2025. So म्हाका दिसता they have shortlisted two names that were suggested. One is, of course, the criteria is you have to be a retired High Court judge. So these two names, definitely, I think in a couple of days, the new Lokayukta should be appointed.
कोण ते दोग जाण सध्या शॉर्टलिस्ट केले?
See, I think I can't tell you the names, but one has been a senior advocate in the Supreme Court as well. Both of these were discussed at large, a lot of profile. That is why it took time. But definitely you will see, and we have to get the Lokayukta at the earliest. There is a High Court directive as well.
Okay. But why there was a delay for the Lokayukta?
So this is something that the government needs to answer, because every time when there are so many cases of corruption pending, almost more than 20 in the Anti-Corruption Bureau, why it was pending, for what reasons, this is best that the government can answer. Basically it is a delay because maybe they didn't want the cases to be looked into. So Lokayukta is a part of the justice system, and when Goa doesn't have a Lokayukta, it's a sorry state of affairs. Nevertheless, we have forced onto them that it has to be appointed immediately. Those minutes also have to come to us, the names. So Magadisa, in a couple of days, it should be fine.